front of me is OPPO A6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When you get it, you don't have to open it now, you can set it up instantly. To do that, you need to hit Settings, scroll to hit Apps section, and tap on Default Apps. Now tap on Home app, and to apply Launcher Pro, which is iOS Launcher, tap on it here. Then wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, tap on Allow All. So when I do that and wait, I can see that my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes, you need to open Launcher app and follow the tutorial. Like for example, change your wallpaper to iPhone 1. If you wanna go back to your standard launcher or switch between those two, go back to the same settings and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!